Welcome back! In today's lesson, we'll learn how to weave the ends of yarn properly.
Whenever we are done with the crochet project, the hardest part and most frustrating part is to see the ends everywhere, and it is most important to weave them properly. Otherwise, when you are using the project, wearing with the rough and tough wear and with washing, the ends can come off and your crochet project can easily open up and it will be destroyed. So it is very important that when you are done, you weave the ends properly. For this, we use this needle. It's called yarn needle, and it's also called tapestry needle. And this needle don't have any spiky end. It has rounded edge and it has a big eye, so yarn can easily slide into the eye and we can use it for weaving. So let's see how to weave it. In this granny square, I have two loose ends. One is where we have started the project. This is the smaller one. I'll start with this one. First, we will yarn the needle. Then I will make couple of knots to secure it. Once the knot is securely done, then we bring the needle in different direction in the fabric to make sure that it doesn't come off easily. I have already secured with the knots, and now I will put my needle inside the needle in the wrong side of the fabric inside the stitches. Make sure it's hiding between the stitches and not visible to the front side or the right side of the work. Once you're done with going in one direction, then go in opposite direction. And if you have longer yarn and then try to go in different direction like zigzag patterns, so it's not easier for the yarn to come out. As I have smaller and here, the yarn is not enough to go in different directions, so I will finish it off here. I went in opposite directions 2 times and then I finished off. Here we have a longer end and we can go in different direction and make zigzag pattern with this one. We will yarn the needle and then start inserting in the back of stitches first and secure, making couple of knots. When you are satisfied that is secure enough by knots, then we will do zigzag patterns and hide it inside the stitches from behind of the fabric, from the wrong side of the fabric. First I went in one direction and then I will go in different direction, opposite direction. Make sure your needle is inside the stitches, it's not visible to the right side of the fabric. Then we will go in a different direction, going downwards and then to the other side. Then going in the opposite direction. You can go in any direction you want, just make sure it's not visible to the front side. When you're satisfied that it's weaved enough, then you can cut the yarn and you can finish the project like this. We can see our project is neat and nice now. It looks nice. So that's how you weave the ends. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.